There are a couple of crucial areas that both new and established wholesale sellers must focus on in order to establish profitable and sustainable businesses. Throughout this journey, there are numerous pitfalls and a great deal of confusion. Common questions in our community that frequently arise include: how do I find profitable high-selling wholesale items for resale? Or how do I effectively manage inventory and avoid understocking? Or what's the best approach to generating additional cash flow? How can I ensure that I'm making the right decisions and growing my business in an intelligent, smart manner? And these are common concerns for both new and established wholesale sellers. At Scan Unlimited, our mission is to empower you, all wholesale businesses, and assist you in achieving success and growth, ultimately granting freedom to you, the founder. And today we are proud to announce the launch of our new Scan Unlimited plan called Unlimited Plus. With the Unlimited Plus plan, from today on, you gain access to unique new features to dominate Amazon wholesale. This plan includes entirely new functionalities and features that no other tool or solution can offer. This represents a significant game changer for any wholesale business. However, these 4 unique functionalities are exclusively available to Scan Unlimited Unlimited Plus plan users. They are designed to enable you to launch and scale your business intelligently. And as a bonus, we doubled the scanning speed for all our Plus members. Only for Plus members, we are scanning at 600,000 plus products per hour scan speed. So join the Scan Unlimited Unlimited Plus plan today. Establish your dominance at the marketplace with those 4 unique new functionalities, only available with Scan Unlimited Unlimited Plus plan. So the Unlimited Plus plan offers the most effective means to ensure your growth of your business. Now let's delve deeper into those 4 new functionalities included in the Plus plan. Feature number 1 is called Zero to Freedom, and it's a comprehensive video course on starting a wholesale business from scratch and how to scale it to freedom. This online video course will instruct you how to initiate an Amazon wholesale business from the ground up. You will learn how to identify the right products, where to find them, how to source them effectively, and scale the successful business model for long-term profitability and sustainability. That's feature number 1. Feature number 2, included in Plus plan: Reimbursements Plus. With Reimbursements Plus, you streamline your Amazon refunds retrieval. You can reclaim your time and money with the most transparent Amazon reimbursement service available in the industry. We've partnered up with Seller Investigators, a leading solution for Amazon reimbursements, to provide you with top quality service, including an additional discount. That's feature number 2. Feature number 3 we call Inventory Control. And with Inventory Control, we allow you to enhance profitability through optimized inventory management. Inadequate and non-optimized inventory management can result in profit losses of up to 20% for wholesale businesses. And by utilizing a famed software called SoStocked that we partner up with, you can now eliminate factors that adversely affect your profit in the inventory management processes. And as a Scan Unlimited member, you will enjoy a special discount. That is feature number 3. And now let's talk about feature number 4, probably one of my favorites. It's called the Daily Picks. And the Daily Picks is, with our goal here, is to simplify the discovery of new product opportunities. So with Daily Picks, you'll receive daily your account exclusive, so only available for you, nobody else, wholesale product opportunities. Every day, Scan Unlimited will present you with 6 unique products that have a track record of success on Amazon and are potential for resale. This is a game changer. And just a reminder, cherry on top, we've doubled the scanning speed for all our members. Only for Plus plan members, at 600,000 plus products hour scan speed. That's double the unlimited. So if you're keen on establishing and expanding your wholesale business strategy and well-supported manner, the Unlimited Plus plan is, we feel, the ideal choice. And in the incoming days and weeks, we'll be discussing each of those new features in detail, as we strongly believe this offering provides us the most solid foundation for your business we can imagine. So we encourage you to become the Unlimited Plus plan member today, take advantage of all the unique new features, and simply dominate the wholesale marketplace. And of course, you can downgrade at any moment if you like. We're pretty sure though, once you give it a try and once you check out those 4 new features, you'll stay with the Plus plan for a long, long time. If you've always wanted to start an Amazon wholesale business, scale it, and own a sustainable, profitable business that can pay you profits every day on your own rules, this is the best place to be. So if you want to start 10xing your Amazon wholesale business, welcome to Unlimited Plus plan. What do you have to do in order to activate the Plus plan? You just need to go to your dashboard, or if you're a new user, open a new account and then go to the user subscription tab and decide to upgrade or choose Unlimited Plus plan. That's all you have to do. And then on the left side on the navigation bar in your app, in the dashboard, you'll see Unlimited Plus icon. You can drop down the menu and you will have all new 4 features. And as a bonus, we will double your speed, scanning speed, over the Unlimited plan. For us, it's a no-brainer. We want you to join Unlimited Plus and scale your business. Start 10xing your Amazon wholesale business. Again, welcome to Unlimited Plus plan. We encourage you to take advantage of it today.